What's up, YouTube? Do you want to have a real online job that pays real money? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can put one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online. You basically want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, you gotta look at the reviews. He never looks and he complains all the time. He's so annoying. You know, like really, it's ridiculous with him. Anyhow, I also do a lot of these kind of videos, how to make money on the side, or even make a full-time income online, as well as a lot of stuff involving mindset for entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing every single day. I always say it. She's so sweet to say that every single day. Really, thank you, Liz Lemon. Really wonderful. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going, and let's get right into this. A website called Lionbridge.
Lions, baby.
Yeah, something about lions. Yeah. Anyway, sorry. Anyhow, so this website, what I like about this, firstly, these are like basically full-time jobs, not, make $1 for filling out a survey or something. These are actual jobs that you can get with this company that pay actual money, like personalized ads evaluator, for example. Let's take a quick look at this. Okay, so this one is part-time, but it's an hourly wage, and it's like a real job. It's not get paid $1 for filling out a survey or something like that. So that's really a big difference. Web content assessor. Let's see what that one is. Okay, this is also part-time, but again, not $1 or $2 for filling out a survey. So basically, you can do actual work online and get a real salary from these jobs. It's really good stuff. And the other thing that I like, by the way, I know a lot of you are not based in the United States. I'm not in the United States currently myself. And you can see that they actually have jobs all over the world. So Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Mexico, over here is Canada, United States, right? And in Europe, Austria, Azerbaijan, Belgium, Czech Republic, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Kazakhstan. Well, you can see the whole list. It's a pretty big list of countries that you can get jobs in. And even in Africa, I know I have some fans in Africa. Thank you for joining me. Even in Africa, there are some jobs in Africa. There are jobs in Asia. Ironically, nothing here in Israel, but whatever. And even in Australia and New Zealand, there's jobs. So there's jobs available all over the world. They specifically look for people who want to work from home. And unlike, a lot of the things that I review, where it's basically fill out a survey and you get paid, like $1 for filling out a survey, this is like actual money, like real money. You can make actual real money from these kinds of jobs. So it's pretty cool stuff, actually.
This is so cool.
And yeah, exactly. That's exactly how I feel about this. It's like it's actual money. It's not the usual thing where you're basically doing work of a sort and getting nothing for it. So it's pretty cool stuff. Go ahead and check it out. Lionbridge.com. Actually, the website is going to be the Smart Crowd, but if you just go to lionbridge.com, you can find it as well. Actually, no, it's smartcrowd.com. Sorry, that's the website, the smartcrowd.com, and basically all you're going to do is go there and go ahead and see what kind of jobs they have available. And just clicking through the various sections, you go and you could always Google Lionbridge as well, but thesmartcrowd.com, and you'll be able to find some jobs there and hopefully get some income going, and some online work going. So I hope this helps you out, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.